Weather, certified Atlanta's most accurate forecast.
Let's talk about the tropics first, because those continue to be extremely active despite the fact that we just finished with Hurricane Laura. So let's start with the area that's closest to home, and this is just off the coast of Georgia and Florida and South Carolina. This area has a 70% chance of becoming a tropical system over the next 5 days. Here's the good news, is that it's pushing back out into the Atlantic, not a lot of threat to the United States. Let's go a little bit farther down to the south, and just south of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, we have this one area that is starting to take shape pretty quickly. This has an 80% chance as it continues its track almost directly to the west. That area is worth watching over the next couple of days. And then as we move out to the coast of Africa, we're continuing to see wave after wave come off the coast, and this area has a 30% chance of development also over the next 5 days. Here back home, it's gray, it's dreary. We saw a lot of rain yesterday evening. Most of us are dry right now. There's some light mist and drizzle in the Atlanta metro, a few smaller downpours just south of the city, Henry County over to Fayette County through Griffin, all the way down into Upson County across the Barnesville area. But again, most of us are dry right now. That will change over the next couple of hours. A very small chance for a shower or even a thunderstorm this afternoon, but nothing close to the rain that we saw yesterday. The closer that we get to the sunset time frame, that's when we're going to watch some rain move out of Tennessee as well as Alabama. That's going to push in our direction, most likely moving through northwestern Georgia 9-10 o'clock in the evening. After the sun goes down, this will weaken as it pushes towards the Atlanta metro, and not really much left by the time it makes it into the city. So 40% chance of rain today, a 40% chance of rain for tomorrow. Then we dry out for the middle part of the week, Wednesday, Thursday. Here's the deal with that. Once we start to dry out, our temperatures will soar back into the 90s. So we're talking about some extremely hot temperatures for the first couple of days of September. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all in the lower 90s. When you factor in the humidity, it could feel as hot as the triple digits later this week. Here's something to look forward to, though. If you're tired of the 90s, you're tired of the heat, you're tired of the humidity, we have our first taste of fall coming for the second week of September, potentially a true fall cold front moving through, bringing cooler temperatures not only to us here in the southeast, but for a significant portion of the country. Right now, it's 81 degrees in Atlanta. Thanks to the rain, thanks to the clouds in the area, temperatures are holding pretty steady right now. We will see some breaks in the clouds this afternoon. That will allow temperatures to push into the middle 80s with those feels like temperatures in the lower 90s, thanks to the fact that we have all of that soupy air out there. We will actually be in the 90s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and those 90s will continue right into the weekend. So Karen, a hot first week of September.
Oh boy. All right. Thank you so much, Molly. Remember to download the powerful CBS 46